Hello everyone, so I am going to tell you how you can create your own website for free and how you can promote your business by making a free website. So for this, the best option is Cloud My Site. Through Cloud My Site, you can create a website for free and check how far you can take your business. Let's get started. Let's start the free trial. We will click on Let's Start Free. If you want WordPress hosting, you can do it from here. If you have a web page enterprise, you can click on Web Page Hosting from here. Click on Web Page Hosting. Here, you will select the Launch Plan Initial. Now, after clicking on this, we will select the theme according to our category. We selected it based on the company category. Here, we added the theme. After adding the theme, we will create our account. Our account has been created, and now we just need to click on Start Free. After clicking, our account will be activated. This will take a little time. So, our account has been created. Here you will see the dashboard. Inside the dashboard, you will find everything. Whatever you purchase for any free trials you have, all of them will be displayed here. After that comes the domain section. When you click on domains, you will see the domains you have purchased. You will also find a section for email. If you need any help or support, you can contact directly by filling out the form. Next is the Web Builder tool. Within the Web Builder tool, there are options for Analytics, Favicon, and Edit. You can use Analytics once you purchase the domain and make it live. Then you will be able to see all the data for that domain, traffic, page speed, page ranking, keywords, and all such details within this section. Next is the Favicon icon. For the Favicon icon, you can either search for one here or upload your own file. If you have a logo for the Favicon, just upload it here and it will be uploaded directly. Simply upload the Favicon icon, which is the small image that appears in your browser tab. The process is very straightforward and user-friendly. It will only take a second or two to complete, and then your Favicon will be successfully uploaded and ready to use. The Favicon has been uploaded. Now, let's click on Edit. After clicking on Edit, you'll see all the pages that are on your website displayed. You can edit any individual page you want. First of all, we need to edit the index page, which is the home page. So we'll click on the index page. After clicking, the portal for the index page of your web builder will open up, where you can change everything as needed. You can edit things here to make changes. To understand the entire process, we have created playlists on how to change images, how to change text, how to add hyperlinks, how to change icons. Basically, we have separate playlists for all these things. You can simply go to our YouTube channel, check out the playlist there, and learn in detail how you can make these changes. Just click on the logo and our business name will appear there. We will add it. It's a normal thing. It will change. When you double click, it will change everything. We will double click. You can search for an image, and if you have your own image, you can directly upload it as well. Double click and it will be applied. Look, the DAO will be updated here in a completely clear and transparent way. So after just changing this particular detail, we will make this page live for everyone to see. It usually takes a little time to go live, but now it has successfully gone live. If you want to change anything else like the rooms or the services, you can very easily edit them. By clicking on Edit, you can normally and conveniently change everything. Just services like room, apartment, food, restaurant, park, fitness, etc. All of these can be easily changed. You can click or double click on the photo. Here you have the footer section of the document. If you double click on this area, it will become editable, allowing you to make changes as needed. This process is very easy to do. And after making these changes, you can simply click on the items within the footer to change them directly yourself without any extra steps. In this way, we can create our enterprise website for free, without any cost, without paying anyone any charges. On this platform of broad websites, you will get templates for free. And along with that, you can choose enterprise, business, entrepreneur, or even an individual portfolio. No matter what kind of website you want to create, you can easily make it. If you have any doubts, you can contact us for the best support. Thank you.